Hi guys, welcome back. I am coming on here to do kit reveals for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am lucky enough that I get to show you guys the deluxe theme kit. This kit is called Foodie, so it's all kinds of stuff to do with food. I'm over here, I know it's super loud. And this is, a Foodie kit, and I did request a second add-on paper kit because I'll be designing with this kit for Not Just for Boys Kit Club this month, and I love pattern, so I thought it was the safest way to go with it. So let me move the goodies to the side and let's look at the papers together. I can't wait to see what's in it because I really didn't get to see what was in it. Okay, so first we have, oh, this is gorgeous. This looks like a fussy cutter's dream. So this is Jen Hadfield. This is family, and it's called Mealtime. And I'm dying, guys. Look at the avo toast. My oldest daughter eats avo toast every weekend. She can't eat it during the week because she has to run off to work. But seriously, you can detail cut this stuff out like crazy. Oh my gosh. And there's little avocado slices and eggs and pineapples and all the good. A little cereal. Cute. So let's see what's on the back side of that one. Okay, that's super cute. So, oh, and I like the branding strip with the oranges. So it's a really great like apricot on apricot stripe. I always like my stripes going this way. So 9 times out of 10, I'll just turn them that way. It's just how it is. So super usable background. Loving that already. Our next piece is called Good Day Sunshine. It's from Echo Park. So it's like a pale apricot on apricot. I know I should be calling it peach, but it looks like apricot to me. So like the polka dots, look at how fun that is. It's like one shade down. And then the backside, oh, super bold. That's fun. We have popsicle and ice creams and all that kind of cute stuff. So we're bringing in some really good navy. And once I see this, like the leaves in this start looking navy to me. So what I'm going to do, so we see it better and it's aesthetically pleasing, I'll go like that. All right, so next we have Amy Tangerine Slice of Life, and this is called In a Twist, which are pretzel twists. And this is a red tone, but it has like a bunch of orange in it, and it's variegated as well. And the white sprinkly bits look like salt on a pretzel, which is kind of funny. And the back side, ta-da, ooh, that's cool. So it's scallops, like scallops whichever way, and they're kind of like wonky, imperfect scallops, which I really like. That looks so cute. Oh, my ideas are starting. So our next piece, it is from Echo Park Paper Company, homegrown collection. It's called Milk Bottles. So really great gingham. And is it me? No, it is just me. My eyes were going wonky. It looked like it was going like that, but it is a really great reddish and slightly off-white. Kind of looks, when you look at it super close, because like super close in the little white squares, it looks like a textile. I know, I overthink it and get so excited. All right, so the back side of that is really great milk bottles, and you can see like that canvas print through it. And we have like, there's pink and aqua, red, green, and blue. I'm thinking about like how it would look as strips like on top of this, and I'm liking my idea plans already. And remember, I have the extra add-on paper kit. You only get one set of the papers with your kit, so make sure to score the add-on. Okay. Let's see. Next, this is by Reminisce, and this makes total sense. It's called The Menu from the In the Kitchen collection, and it looks like a chalkboard menu with all of this work is done for you. So menu, always fresh, always hot, a little welcome banner, and like chalk detailing around the edges. The flip side of that is a giant cut apart sheet that is awesome. We have milkshakes and baguette. Looks like salami and fish. Oh, is that lettuce or a cabbage? Not quite sure. And bagels and muffins and all kinds of good stuff that makes me want to detail cut out all kinds of bits and have all kinds of die cuts. So that's super cool. Our next piece is also from Echo Park Homegrown, and it's called Mason Jars. So this is a lovely, lovely mint with that textile vibe in the background as well. Making sure you can still see. Okay. And the back side, what's it look like? Oh my Lanta. So guys, what I am seeing with this kit is you have die cuts here, right? I have die cuts here, little die cuts there, here, here, and now here. So this is one of those situations, like if you don't have die cuts in your kit, you can make 5 million cute jars from just this piece of paper. Sit down while you're watching a show and cut them out, and you have die cuts for days. That is so cute. So all kinds of different mason jars, and it makes me want to do a layout of my boy Mason with it, because why not? Why not? I remember, that Nicole Jones used to call her grandson Mason Jar, and that always pops in my head when I see something with mason jars. Don't really know why. Okay. Then the last piece of paper we have, it's from Carta Bella, and it's the Carta Bella texture. Okay, it's called Kitchen Corner. So it's a really nice deep brown, and it's got like the distressing in the corners with whisks. Very cool. And then the flip side to it is this super great aqua, almost into a teal with all of these icons in an off-white. And there's literally like yet more things you can fussy cut, which is a fussy cutter's dream. Who did I just, you know who's really into fussy cutting is Laura Alberts. Like she would have herself a time with this. Okay, let me see. I'm looking at the rest of the embellishments to see how I should present them to you. Okay, let's go with this. This is this cute little patch, and you know, it's threads and fabric-y patch. Here's the tag that comes with it, which goes gorgeous with that piece. And it's a slice of pizza, which is really cute. So we have that. Like, I don't even know what to show you first because I'm smitten with this. Oh, let me show you the cut file. Look at this. It's cutlery with a spot right here that you can so easily put your title. And we have a piece of gray cardstock that goes with it, which is a fab neutral for this kit. Next, we have a 6x6 stencil from Echo Park, and it is called Summer Flags. And oh, that is so usable. So incredibly usable. Molding paste color, like shimmers, goodies. Stay tuned for my a la carte on that one. So I have that. Next, I was dying to see this. So this is from Echo Park Paper Company, clear acrylic designer stamps, and it is called Farm Fresh 4x6 stamp set. Oh, how cool. So we have like the Vans shoe print. I'm sure it's not called the Vans shoe print, but that's what it looks like to me. And it says, life is a bowl of cherries. That is so awesome because we go to Traverse City every year, and it's like the cherry capital. Never mind. We have a milk jug, and let's see. That looks like a spade. We have a carrot, a piggy, a cow. That looks like a radish, homegrown, a tea kettle, farm fresh, a little strawberry, a mason jar, and a tractor. So stinking cute, guys. Yeah, it's made in the USA. Who'd have thunk? Okay, super cool. Then, all right, so this is my favorite thing in the whole kit, and I'll take them out for you. So tag on the back, and I will take them out. This is one of the kits with this paper here. It makes me want to, remind myself to use all of the deep brown packaging. So we've got a charm with an ice cream cone. We've got a charm with fries, a charm with cutlery. Oh, this one is funny, guys. It has like a little chef's hat and cutlery, a cute little pizza, and this is my very favorite part of the entire kit. It's got a little fried egg in a frying pan. Like, seriously, that would be so cute. I mean, I don't even know what I'm going to use it for. I'm probably going to have it on my desk and stare at it for a few days because I'm dying. Wouldn't it be so cute? Like on a little brunch invitation with like the cutlery. Okay. I'll stop. I know I'm a dork. I do. I know it. So let me put my cute little charms there. And let's see, there's like 3 more like really big deal things still. So this is Heidi Swap Make Pretty Stuff. Oh my goodness, guys, it's like a tab thing with, hold on, there's 12 pieces. Oh, white cardstock. So you can make like a little recipe book with it because the little holes are cut out. And it has ingredients and the directions part. I mean, clearly you can use it on your layouts, but how cute that you can do a whole recipe book with this. I'm trying to see how this goes. Oh, it's just super, super sturdy. So this has like this apricot tone right here. And then we've got seafoam. And oh, this is bringing in this really great pop of orchid. Oh, and then florals. Guys, these are so cool. And then we have gray. And then we have aqua gray and seafoam. Well, aqua gray. Yeah, aqua gray peach is what I meant. Or apricot. It's more of that purpley color. So yeah, they just are mixing it. So it's a whole recipe book, guys, that I'm putting backwards now and confusing the whole thing. Oh, that is so fun. Okay, great. Next, this kit has a lot going on. So I'm actually looking because I have to show you guys die cuts in a second. I have to bring something out so we can see them. So this is Echo Park Homegrown Element Stickers. So, and we have, oh guys, so it goes with this Echo Park Homegrown paper line. Awesome. So 3 border stickers, this hilariously cute bright green truck, mason jars, a really nice big title, banner pieces, milk jugs, florals. Oh, look, a little prize winning piggy. So awesome. Sweet summer days. So you have some of the summery stuff. That, oh, guys. Oh, look, and that goes with that too, because we have some of the popsicles and you can always bring in stuff to do a summer layout as well with this. Okay. I don't even know where to put everything because there's so much in here. So let me grab a piece of paper really quickly from my main kit so that we can see. This is from the main kit. It's an add-on. You can use it with this kit because clearly the colors will work as well. So we have the whole die cut pack from Echo Park Farmhouse Kitchen. There are 33 pieces. I'll show you the back if you don't like to watch the whole thing. And I'll do Jeopardy music. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Let's look at the 33 pieces from this Farmhouse Kitchen pack. There we go. Sorry if we get a little glare there. So my first piece reads Made with Love, and it has a scallopy bit, and you can pop out those little holes. Awesome. The fondest memories are made when gathered around the table, and this is bringing in that chalkboard piece that we have. Together is our favorite place to be. Bon appetit. And I know I don't pronounce French correctly. Fully aware. You don't have to tell me. From the kitchen of, with a little label. Y'all come and eat, and this piece pops right on out. And what I do with that, with these kind of pieces, is 9 times out of 10, if it's not a shaker pocket, I just pop out this piece, put it on dimensional adhesive, and pop it right there, and I love the shadow. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Truth. In this kitchen, we dance with some wood grain. That's cute. Grandma's kitchen, coffee, pie, and hugs. Yeah, my mom doesn't do the pie thing. Let's see. She buys pie. Farm to table, always fresh farmers market, dairy, produce, dry goods, cute little farmhouse sign. Happiness is homemade with love. I love the black elements. Oh, farmhouse kitchen, look at the little rooster. Very good. That's bringing in some of that summer layout I'm thinking of. A cute barn. Oh, look at the little galvanized milk jug with flowers. Let's see. Home is where your heart is. I'm dying. I mean, look at the chickie and the pig and the cow. Oh, that is cute. Oh, we have A. We have an E. We have a T. I have a feeling we're going to come up with a table at some point. So I'm going to go like that for now. We have some cutlery. Let's see. Let's eat. A little sign on wood boards there. Like, kind of looks clapboardy. Bless this kitchen. Roll with it. Home is the sweetest word there is. That's so cute. A nice whisk. Recipes. An and sign and a really nice sage green. Welcome home. It's kind of like the windmill part of a windmill. Like the, well, that makes no sense because the whole thing is a windmill. The turny bits. Bless the food before us, family beside us, and love between us. And we have kitchen rolls. Mix it up. Just roll with it. Take whisks, which I think is like risks, which is kind of funny. Oh, guys, I am so stupid. That's not going to be table. That's eat. Don't flip out. Be grateful. Spice it up. Kiss the cook. Love beyond measure. This is a huge kit. So this is a deluxe theme kit called Foodie. And if you can, I urge you to score the pack add-on because you will have the hardest time deciding which sheet to use. Okay, that's it for now, friends. I'm going to film the third video in the kit reveals, which is the page kit by Merity and all of my add-ons. And there are add-ons with add-ons with add-ons, including mixed media goodies, as well as, what was I going to say? There's mixed media goodies. Oh, and all the die cuts for this month. Stay tuned.